Is your Pinterest profile invisible to others? You put all that work into creating boards, saving ideas, and curating the perfect collection, but nobody can see any of it. It feels like you're shouting into a void, right? Well, the fix is incredibly simple. Turn off private mode in seconds and get discovered. Here's how. I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your profile visibility from private to public in just a few taps. No confusing menus, no hidden tricks, just straightforward instructions that actually work. All right, let's start with the app open. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to make public. This is important because if you have multiple accounts, you want to be on the right one before we make any changes. So now that you've got Pinterest open, go ahead and tap your profile icon. It's that little picture or silhouette in the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can see all your boards and pins. Next, look for the settings gear icon. On most phones, it's in the top right corner of your screen once you land on your profile page. Tap that gear icon to open up your account settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls live for your account. Now we need to find the profile visibility option. Scroll down through the settings list until you see a section that says Profile Visibility. It's usually toward the middle of the page, right under Account Management. Tap on that. And here's the really important part. You're going to see a toggle switch labeled Private Profile. If it's switched on, that's why nobody can find you. This is the main control that hides your profile from search results and from other Pinterest users entirely. So take a second to review what these options actually mean. When Private Profile is on, your boards and pins are only visible to you. People can't follow you, they can't see your content in search. It basically makes you invisible on the platform. But when you turn it off, everything becomes public. Your boards show up in search, people can follow you, your pins can get seen and saved by others. It's the difference between hiding your work and putting it out into the world. Now, for the actual fix. Tap that toggle switch to turn off Private Profile. The switch should slide from the on position to the off position. It might change from a blue or green color to gray, depending on your phone. This action makes your profile public immediately. Here's a quick tip from experience. After you flip that switch, take a moment to review your changes. Go back to your profile page. Does your username show up if you search for it? Can you see your follower count? If you have any boards that were previously hidden, they should now be visible. This confirmation step is really important because sometimes the app takes a second to update. And that's it. Your profile is now public and visible to everyone on Pinterest. People can find your boards, follow you, and save your pins to their own collections. You're no longer invisible. You're discoverable. One last thing. If you ever need to go private again for any reason, just follow these exact same steps and flip that switch back on. It's just as easy to reverse. Thanks for sticking with me through this. Now go out there and let Pinterest users find all those amazing ideas you've been saving. I'll see you in the next video.